The Vivo Y83 Pro comes with a large 6.22-inch screen, sleek glass finish which gives it a premium look. The phone is available in 3 color options: gold, black and nebula purple. This phone has a 4GB RAM and a 64GB internal memory which can be expanded up to 256GB using the dedicated micro SD card slot. The Vivo Y83 Pro has dual SIM slots that support 4G Volt capability. The phone has a 6.22-inch 19:9 full-view display with HD resolution which ensures good viewing experience and clarity. You can unlock the phone using facial recognition or the fingerprint sensor. The phone features a 13-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual rear camera with multiple picture modes including HDR mode, Pro mode, AI Face Beauty, time-lapse and other modes for professional quality photos. The phone also features an 8-megapixel front camera for high-quality selfies. The Vivo Y83 Pro runs on Android Oreo-based Funtouch OS 4.0 and is powered by a 2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P22 processor, making it suitable for multitasking. This phone is powered by a 3260 mAh battery. The handset comes with a charger, user manual, SIM ejector pin, protective case and an applied protective film. The Vivo Y83 Pro is made available through various EMI options, net banking or payment through your debit or credit cards.